Welcome to Cloud IT Solutions. In this Avaya IP Office video, we cover the topic R11 to R11.1 upgrade. Before upgrade, please download and install R11.1 Manager from support.avaya.com. Once you open the Avaya Manager, it will automatically detect your controller. If not, you need to type the IP address of the controller and click refresh. Once you log in, you can see in the top of the manager the version of the controller. Our current version is 11.0.4.5.0 build 13. Click control unit. There also you can see the controller same version. For upgrading, click file, advanced, upgrade. Once you click the upgrade, it will you have to wait for a few minutes so that the controller can detect its firmware version as well as the upgraded version from the manager. The manager version is 11.1.1.0 build 18. Type the password as password. This is the default password. Avaya strongly recommend to change this default password while we are upgrading to 11 or 11 version. We don't require any additional license from R11 to R11.1 upgrade. If we need to upgrade from any previous version, we need to buy R11 upgrade license. Also, version R10 to R11.1 possible if we have R11 license. If we have R8 or R9 version, first we need to purchase R11 upgrade license and do the upgrade following the path R8 to R9, R9 to R10, R10 to R11 or R11.1. Now once the upgrade started, it will back up the configuration and then start transferring the files. So let us wait for till the backup is complete. Now the backup has completed, it's proceeding. The status. We can monitor the status here. Once the status done, it will do upgrade, reboot the controller and then start uploading the files. Let us wait for a few minutes until this upgrade complete. Once it asks for the password, we need to type the password as password if it was not changed. Now the uploading files is copying to the SD card from the manager. This will also take few minutes to complete. Currently our upload is started around 4:45. Let us see at what time it's completing. Yes, the upgrade has taken almost 1 hour. So normally when you are planning for Avaya upgrade, please plan for the downtime 1 hour to 1.5 hours. Now the upgrade has successfully completed. Once it's upgrade completed, we can again open the IP Office Manager and view the version upgraded correctly or not. Let us wait. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for your support.